Hello there, Miss Scribble here. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little owl for fall time and showing you how to color them in using texture from leaves. So let's get started. I have just a regular old piece of copy paper, because that's all I have right now. But you can use sketchbook paper or just like computer paper. But you want it to be on the thinner side. So you don't want something that's like cardstock or something super thick. And then over here I have my reliable crayons, the warm color family and the cool color family. We're going to start by I'm going to use a cool color to draw my owl so you can see it really, really well. So we're going to start by drawing the head of the owl. And the head of the owl is going to be a circle. So draw your best circle towards the top of your page so you can leave room for his body. And his body is going to be a U shape. So we're going to draw from starting at the bottom of the circle, drawing around. I want to make him a little bit more rounder than my other one. Next, we're going to draw his wings. And his wings are going to be two crescent shapes or rainbow shapes. So starting from that point where we start the body all the way towards the bottom. And as for his feet, there's going to be two sets of 3 ovals. Okay, now we're going to draw the little feathers on top of his head to make him look more owl-esque. I think that's the right word. We're going to draw 2 little mountain shapes on the side of his head. And those are his little feathers on top of his head. Now this owl is missing something. It needs a face. So we're going to add 2 round circles for his eyes. And then he needs a beak. So we're going to add a triangle for his beak. And then we're going to finish off his eyes. We need to make him actually have some eyeballs here. So we're going to add another 2 circles inside. And this is optional, but you could add another little circle inside to make him look cute. Doesn't he look so cute? Then we're going to add some little speckles. I like speckles on my owls, so we're going to add little triangles and just color them in and add as many as you want, and that is how we draw our owl. Now, you know, it's missing something. We need some pizzazz. We need to color this guy in. Now, we could just color it in with crayons, but I think I have a better idea. We need to go on an adventure to find some supplies. Let's go. Got the leaves. Okay, let's go. Whew, okay, that was some adventure. We got our needed materials for the next step of our owl tutorial. Let's continue on. I took those leaves and I spread them out on the table so I can make sure I see what I got and pick and choose which ones I want to capture on our owl picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to use only the warm colors for the inside of the owl and the cool colors for the background of our picture. So what we're going to do is you're going to take one of your leaves that you want to use, and we're going to start by coloring in the owl first. So which colors did I say we're going to use? Colors from the warm color family. So I'm going to start by choosing, this kind of looks like an oak leaf. So we're going to use this, and we're going to make sure that we have it facing the side that has all the little grooves and nooks and crannies. We're going to take our leaf and we're going to place it behind our picture in a place that we want to capture the leaf. Okay? So I'm going to put it, I want to make it go across his belly. And I'm going to choose, let's start with the color red. So I got this red color. And we're going to use the side of the crayon and we're going to just go right over our leaf. And you can see it starting to appear like magic. What? Now I'm going to put them off to the side and choose a different leaf. Let's see, I have this leaf, or I got, let's see, this round leaf. Now which one? I'm going to do this little leaf. And we're going to place them right there. so I'm going to just kind of guess. It's okay if you don't get it exactly right. And now we're just going to keep going. I'm going to fill this owl up with leaves, all inside using only colors from the worm family. Okay, so now we finished using our leaves to create the texture for the inside of our owl. Now we're going to use the leaves for the background. And this time we're going to use the colors in the not the warm family, we use the colors in the warm family, we use the colors in the cool family. So before we get started, I'm going to add a branch to the bottom of our owl. And all you're going to do is you're going to start on the foot. I like to put kind of like a little crescent shape, like this little limb from the branch. And they're just going to go off the page. And on this side, you could add another crescent or a little wave off the page for the other side of the branch. And then we can take, say, how about like this big guy right here. You just put him right underneath, and we can get that texture for the branch with our brown crayon. Now we're going to do the background using our cool colors. So I'm just going to take these warm colors and put them back. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with this wavy leaf, and I want to put it right there behind his head. So I filled up my background. Now we're going to color in our eyes. Now you can use leaves to fill in his eyes, but I feel like it's more successful to do it this way. You can choose the eye color you wish, and I think I'm going to use green for his eyes. So this is the eyeball, so I'm going to leave that white, and this is like the iris of your eye where the color is. And then this little circle is like the reflection, or it could be the pupil if you want to, which is the dark part of your eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top of the circle here of the iris, and I'm going to color kind of dark. And it's going to be kind of like a zigzag pattern, or a bunch of lines going over and over and over again to make like the lines for the iris. So I'm going to start going really dark, but then I'm going to ease up the pressure to go lighter. Kind of gives a sense of form for the eyeball, which means that we're making it look 3D instead of flat. So I'm just easing up the pressure as I get around the pupil there. So this is how it looks at the end. So now we have the warm color family for the owl and the cool colors for the background. And if you notice, the cool colors make the owl pop, and that's because cool colors make it look like it appears that it goes further back in space, and warm colors look like it's going more forward in space. Alright, so there you have it. We drew our owls. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you had so much fun drawing owls with me. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Miss Scribble's Art Class. And if you did this drawing with me, I would love to see your artwork. So be sure to tag Miss Scribble's Art Class. Be sure to subscribe. Words here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to find more tutorials with me, Miss Scribble. Happy scribbling. Bye.